Okay, let's take a quick look at what's in my GoPro toolbox. Here are my plugs and my battery chargers. They just fit in like that. Everything's charged to begin with. I got all these on Amazon. The lights from Amazon, and we can change the color from cold to warm. I also have a backlight with a remote. So if we take a look at the top drawer, here's some ND filters for the GoPro, all the way up to a 1000. Second GoPro, the Falcon Plus, works very well. It's handy. Now these GoPro clamps, I can put them on the motorcycle and use the motorcycle as a tripod, and these rotate. Batteries here, chargers here, and these can fit in USB, just like that. Now the second drawer. Now this drawer, I simply went down to Staples and got these plastic separators. Twist ties, Sharpies, door covers for the GoPro, some extended GoPro tighteners, lots of little hand knives, precision screwdrivers, all the little supplies that you need, remote controls for my lighting, these here are my GoPro boxes. That's what the GoPro came in. The bigger box are extra parts. Window sticker. Sometimes I put this on the bike. It'll clamp onto the rear view mirror, so it's a little further away from me instead of sitting on the windshield. Miscellaneous parts again. Pens. I can't get these anywhere except for Amazon. Now these can be fitted to the GoPro. I haven't used them as much as I thought I would. Batteries. A few more smaller screwdrivers. RAM mounts. Now this is my cage for the Nikon D850. My Ruko drone. This is the F111 Ruko drone. Just uses my iPhone. Now these are Wi-Fi. They're supposed to be good for 3 miles. I just put them on there like that. Works pretty good. This is how I charge them up. You simply put them on like that. There's a little red dot. When that red dot goes out, it's fully charged. And I can charge all my batteries, all my GoPro batteries, my drone batteries, my controller, all at the same time. So I don't spend all night charging. So let's go to this side. The camera side. So I have a Nikon D850. 3 fast lenses. I also have a Nikon F4S. I put them face down because of this eyepiece. I wear glasses, so it works good. I don't want to destroy it. I also have some manual lenses. $25. That's what's good about the 850. You can use automatic or you can use manual lenses. Minolta Flash Meter 4. I've had this quite a few years. So we've got batteries, reflector, 5-place reflector. Inside the housing, this battery moved around quite a bit. So I put this self-sticking Velcro on it just to take up the area between well, let me show you. That's what I did. It was moving around inside and causing the camera to just stop. So now I solved that problem. And I have the chargers here. These are some cables, microphones, angled cable that I use on the motorcycle. Works very well. Camera parts. I've collected through the years. This came with the camera cage. It wasn't long enough, so I had to order a longer one. Miscellaneous parts. Now here's a little part. It fits right on top of the camera, right here. That's the part that holds the top part of the cage on. Somehow I lost it. So I went to Amazon and I bought a whole bunch more. So that's what that is. Oh look, tools. Not too many tools. Household tools. This is the helmet I'm using, which is a Shoei 1200. So I'm using a ACM 400 mic. I got rid of the Purple Panda because it was making clicking sounds, and it's just a bad mic. I don't recommend it at all. But I do recommend the ACM 400 mic you can get from Amazon. I think it was like $20 to $24. Works perfectly. The chin mount is not GoPro chin mount, it's a chin mount. The company called Chin Mount. And that's just glued right on the front. Well, it's not really glued on the front, but it feels like glue. It's a part of the 3M tape that you heat up. I use a Wagner heater. When you heat up this glue, be sure you know exactly where you're going to put it, because that's where it's going to be. That's where it's going to stay. Here's a quick overview of my desk. I've had that poster since 1982. Stereo system in the corner. Epson computer 4730. I have a notepad here. Notebook 5x8. I jot down ideas and sometimes procedures for Premiere Pro. I have a gaming computer, MSI gaming computer, so I can operate Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and Epidemic Sound all at the same time. I don't have all screens open at the same time, but they're open on the desk. And here we go, Epidemic Sound. Now over here I have a Quantum 800 headset. This is the JBL Quantum 800. I use this when I'm on Epidemic Sound to review music. Sounds pretty good.